Then he get him over there in Doug's pond. Just happy as if he had good sense. He's getting used to it. He's getting used to it.
That thing says James over to get off.
Huh?
Get off by itself.
Yeah, if he falls off of it, yeah, that thing on his wrist, take it off. That lanyard. Yeah, if it was to sling him off, it'd cut right off. You cut it off? Did you cut it off?
Do what?
It's Granddaddy's turn.
No, he said I ain't even on that damn thing.